Hi guys, I'm Kiniso Mavimbela, the African fighter, the Goliath, Africa Goliath. Yeah, I'm fighting for my channel, Boy Kamao, Tough Guys TV. That my channel. Subscribe, please. Thanks to you, my opponent, to challenge me. RICHJEAN motorbike. I accept your challenge. I want to tell you some few words. As you see me, yesterday I was training. You get the challenge. Even today, I will go to train. Yes, you called me that I am an African Goliath. Really, I am African Goliath. You see my punch. You see my body. I know that you will feel my power. When I punch you, you will feel my punch. I want to tell you, even this, the time it comes when our boss, MJ, give us the opportunity to fight. Please, don't run away. Don't run away. And please tell your family, your friends, that is the time for fight. And give them one word and say goodbye. Because maybe they will see you the following day. Either you will go to hospital or you'll die, or even to faint with one punch. If you feel that punch, I accept your challenge, boss. I don't fear you. I don't know you. But the day when I come to your place in Philippines to fight, don't run away. Please, don't run away. I accept the fight. As you see, me, I am an African Goliath. I fight. You see me. Or you don't know a little bit about me. Even I don't know, but you will know me the day you will fight. You will know me exactly. Goodbye, everybody, and subscribe. Please subscribe our channel, Boy Kamao Tough Guys TV.